What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have a solar powered water fountain. This one is a little bit different. As y'all know, I review fountains on the channel. That's kind of a thing of mine. I love little solar fountains and stuff like that. Not too much electrical fountains, but if it's an electrical fountain, it has to be something cool. All right. Other than that, I love solar fountains, you guys. The birds love solar fountains. This is a 15-watt solar fountain. It has a few different type of connections that you could do to it. So this is one of the reasons why this fountain drew my attention, is because they have one little nozzle here and then another here with a neck, which means water comes from this nozzle and this nozzle. So that's kind of cool. I actually like a little something different. So we will definitely test this out. I am not sure yet if this works in sun and shade. We will get into that in a little bit. I try to see on the description if it did or not. This solar panel is heavy. Never really had a heavy one like this, so it must pack some power to it. Oh, and this is cool. You can screw this up if you need to screw it up. They actually have holes on it to put screws on it. That is nice right there. That's actually a pellet. We may leave it on the ground for now and aim it towards the sun. Depending on the area I put it in, that's how I know what I'm gonna do. So you get extension right here. You put this in, fits nice and tight. That is in. You have your other extension right here. And then on the part where you could put the screws, put the extension right through here. So if you're gonna put this on the grass or in your mulch, wherever you're gonna put it, you have some good height to it. This is actually a pretty good size right here, you guys. Wow. Now, a lot of things that people don't know about this that, you know, is kind of hard to understand, maybe through instructions and stuff like that. So we do have our instructions, but we will go over this. So this is one of my favorite ones right here. You have this nozzle here. This is the middle part where you put in your extension, and then you could put in your other nozzle. So this is the coolest part for me, you guys. So if I want to put two different extensions on there, I should be able to do that. If you try to put the other extension on, this one is too big. Look, it wobbles. Y'all probably can't see it, but it wobbles out. You see that? So that wobbles out. This one actually stays on, so we can see how this works with this one. All right. And then this one stays on because it's actually mimicking this one. So these two actually mimic each other. And then you put that on like that. Boom, tight. I usually like this one because the way the water flows. I love the way how the water flows it's like a oval waterfall. You know, it's a waterfall, but it goes all the way around. Love it. On this little tube, you have to push your finger through here or whatever you can put in there to try to get this little extension part out. And then you can extend this. And then when you extend that, nope. You need, okay, so this looks like a reducer. Okay, so you need this part. So here you go. Here is your little coupling right here, or reducer, whatever you want to call it. But it's the only way to get your extensions onto here. All right. So you put this in here. All right, and once again, let me show you this. This is the smooth side. All right, and then on this side you have the little rough ridges that's facing up. You can't fit it right here because the hole is equal. You have to put it right here, and then you can put all your extensions on however you want to put them on. Since it's skinnier up here, you have to put the wider diameter right here, and it fits right on. And then if you need to go up and down on your extend, you can go down, you can go up. This is a good thing to have right here. All right, especially if you have this hidden and you need to adjust the top. So this is actually a plus. You guys, they're starting to be a little bit more innovative when it comes to the solar fountains, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So they give you 2 extra one of these. Okay, so they give you 2 extra of these ones. I don't know why, but you get 2 extra ones. We will figure that out. The thing that people really need to know, a lot of people need to know how to clean the filter. Rubber feet right here, that should stick. The filter is a little bit different on here, you guys. So as you can see, it's a little split right here. So y'all see this line? You will have to pull out like that. And then this little friend of ours right here, great. This little friend of ours right here is a filter, okay? This is a filter. If this is blocked up due to algae, you have to keep this clean. If not, your pump will not work properly. Now to put it back on, you find the lines and match it up, slide it right on, and you heard that click? And that's it. That's how you clean out your filter. Y'all hear that? It has good suction to it. So let me go ahead and start putting some water in. So to hook up the solar panel, you have a little slot right there. Don't know if you can see it, but if you look on here, there's a little slot right there on the top, right? There's an arrow right there. And then if you look at your part right here, there's an arrow right here, and then you see the slot. But if you can't really see the slots, there's 2 arrows here. So look for the 2 arrows that's on here and push. Match them together, push, and now they're locked in. And now you want to secure it with your thread and nut right here. It's not enough sun coming in, so let me aim it up at the sun. And the thing is so powerful, it's coming out of the basin right now. Now, one thing you can't do is you can't control the power of your water. That's one thing I wish. I'm looking around this thing to see, but no, you can't control the power of your water. So there you go. It's actually coming all the way out, you guys. Water's coming all the way out. So you will need a nice sized little pond, all right? Or if you have a basin like this, a little bit bigger, because the diameter that it's coming out, this needs to be maybe 8 more inches out. I just changed the top. All you do is just take off and put on, you guys. Nothing too big about it. Let's go ahead and check this out. So when you do that, the water, the fountain that's on top, it kind of overpowering the fountain on the bottom, so it's not really coming out right. All right. So yeah, but if you like that, then you like that. But you can tell that it's not coming out right. Now, another thing I want to do is adjust the height. So y'all know we had it up really high. Let's put it down low. So we're going to put this all the way down. And now let's see what happens when we adjust the height. All right. Water still comes out like crazy, even if you adjust the height. Bring the height back up. Let's take this one off. All right. If you twist it, it comes off pretty nice. I'm going to put this one on top and turn my solar fountain to the sun. This is pretty powerful, you guys. This is probably one of the most powerful pumps that I have. Now, if you want to change this, you can twist and you see how it comes out. Oh, you can bring it down. I love that you can adjust the neck on this thing. Let's put this other nozzle on. Is there a difference? Okay, so this is the one that I usually use. Oh, I love it. I love it. You guys, this pump is so powerful. So this is the one that I usually use. All right, you take that off, and then you have this one here. And as you can see, water comes out of here, but not as much as the other one. I just love this one. This is my favorite one. You can adjust it, make it come out a little bit more. You see that? You see that? That is so cool, you guys. I'm telling you. Now, the more you tighten it, the more crazy it looks. It looks like a little spaceship. I'm gonna loosen it some. That way I'm not losing water. Now with this, I'm not really losing too much water. Even so, I could put it down. So if I want to bring it down, there you go. Some shade, it still works a little bit. All right, so there you go. As you can see, I'm getting some shade over here from the trees, and the sun is right there. So the sun is coming. I beat the sun today, you guys. Have my other basin right there. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with that. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.